Hey, what up, everybody? Let's talk about the Waggener Union. Okay, what is it? It's a Google site. On this site, there is a page for all of our teachers. Our students will have access to the whole site, so they'll be able to get to all of their teachers' pages. On each of those pages, you will see links to all the Google Classrooms just for easy access across the top. Below that, if nothing else, your weekly directions for what your instruction is going to look like. Okay, so why have it? As per the district's NTI portal, they wanted us to link in our teachers, but there wasn't anything to link our teachers to. Now there is. We have the union. The good news is it's going to provide us with a consistent system for our students. They're going to have one place to go to. It says for everything, sort of. Not really necessarily for everything, but at least one place to start, like a home base. Okay, they'll know to go there to see what teacher A wants them to do and what teacher B wants them to do. Teacher A and then teacher B can send them anywhere they want to after they come to the union, but it is like it's the place to start, which I think is going to be really helpful. I think the more consistent all of us are as far as how we're at least presenting the directions and how we're presenting them, the better off we're going to be. Another really great thing about the union, or at least something I anticipate being great, is that it's going to be easier for parents and guardians and support systems to access what it is that their students are supposed to be doing. It's going to be easier than them trying to get into classroom and figure out what's going on. Also, it's going to be easier for me to support everyone. Not that everyone's going to need support, but some of us will. The digital divide is real, and this is going to make it a little bit easier for me to support people. The expectations are pretty slim. Your directions for instruction should be on your union page. We all need a communication plan for talking to students. Right now, we don't have one that everyone has to use, and I don't think that's necessarily what anybody wants to do, but I think we're all in agreement that we have to be able to talk to our kids to make sure all this works as well as it possibly can. And the more you can embed that communication into your union page, I think the better off it'll be too. Okay. What else? You'll all have edit access in the site so you can put your stuff in. You already do have edit access. If you don't, I just missed you and email me and I'll get you added. Don't change the theme, please. The theme doesn't change the theme for your page. It changes the theme for the entire site, so please just leave that alone if you don't mind. It says the Waggener profile has training materials. That's actually not true. I put the training materials in the union, and I'll tell you why. Some of the technology we're going to be using, or some of you may be using, I think some of that will be helpful for students and for their stakeholders as well. Like if you guys are going to use Classroom, I could imagine that there's some support out there that would not mind having a better handle on Google Classroom as well. So I wanted to make those materials available to them as well. Lastly, I'll have office hours posted soon. I'm going to have consistent daily office hours so people can pop in for support. And those will be on the profile sooner than later. Okay, we will look at the union in the next video where we go over how to get started in Google Sites. But for now, thank you. Look out for the next video and I will get it up as soon as I can. Thanks, everybody.